Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in AutoCAD. In this tutorial, we are going to model this 2D drawing using AutoCAD. For that, first go to the AutoCAD software. Now I have opened AutoCAD software already. Here I am using Autodesk AutoCAD 2022. First go to New, just click here, you will get the new file. This is the new file. Now we'll start drawing model. Just open the model and open the software. Now we can start drawing this model from any point. Here I am going to start from this point. Before that, set the units. In this model I am using a unit of millimeter, so we need to set the unit. Just type units, enter. Default it is in inches, and precision after the point, how many decimal precision we require. Here we require only 0. Then inches, choose millimeter. Then say OK. Then we need to specify limits. Just type limits. Lower left corner is 0, 0. Just enter. Upper right corner we need to specify more than the model size. Model size is 30, so we'll specify around 100. Just 100, 100. Just enter. Then Z, enter. A, enter. Now we have made a zoom all also. Then we'll create model. We can, here as I explained previously, I'm going to start my model from here at this point. So take a line, just L, enter. This point. We need to switch on the ortho mode. Just press F8 to switch on the ortho mode. The vertical height is 30. Then type 30, enter. Then horizontal height is also be 30. 30, enter. And we need to go down. This height is 10. Then 10, enter. This width also be 10. Just 10, enter. This height again it is 10. Enter. Then go this side which is 30. Enter. And downward with the total height of 30. 30, enter. Then in horizontal length which is 10. Just 10, enter. And vertical height is 10. Just 10, enter. Then we need to make an inclined line. For that, just go to the horizontal length of 15, enter. Then downward which is 10, just 10, enter. Then switch off the ortho mode by pressing F8 again. Just create a line here. Right click, cancel. Then again start line from this point, just L, enter. From here we need to make 20, just 20, enter. Again we need to make an inclined line. This will not be a correct line, just delete it. Then switch on the ortho mode by F8. Then again go for L, enter. From this point to horizontal length which is 20, just 20, enter. Vertical height is 10. 10, enter. And horizontal height is 15. 15, enter. Then again vertical height is 10. Just 10, enter. Now right click, cancel. L, enter. Switch off the ortho mode by pressing F8. From this point to this point is simply connected. Right click, cancel. Then again go for L, enter. Here and here we just make a connection. Right click, cancel. Then trim the unwanted edges by using a trim tool. Just TR, enter. This one we don't need it. Similarly here we don't need it. Now we have created the sketch. Then escape. Then specify the dimension one by one. Simply just choose the linear dimension here. Linear. From this point to this point, which is here you can see 30. The dimensions are showing very small. For that you just go for dim style. Modify. Symbols and arrow make it some 2. Text also make it 2. Primary units make it 1. No decimals. Save OK. Then close. Now we have created this one. This size is enough. Then specify the linear dimension one by one. just go for the linear dimension from this to this. Switch on the ortho mode by pressing F8 from this point, which is 30. Again press enter to get the previous command. This one is 10. Similarly enter, and from here to here, which is 30. Just select this one, select this one here. Similarly here, select this one, just move here, this point, just press escape. Yes. Now just specify the other dimension one by one. Just go for enter simply, and from here to here the dimension is 10. Then from again enter, you will get the previous command. From here to here the dimension is 10 again. Again enter, you will get the previous command. From here to here the dimension is 10 again. That's it. Then specify other dimensions, just enter it. From here to here the dimension is 10. Then enter. From here to here, this point, which is 15. Similarly, just enter it, you will get the previous command. From here to here, which is 20. And just enter. From this point to this point, which is 15. And from this point to this point, just enter it. And from this point to this point, which is 10. Now we have specified all the dimensions. If you want to increase the width of this model, simply select the lines one by one. So we'll leave this one. Now we have created this complete model. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. In next tutorial we will come up with a new model. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you.